Alright, dirt heads, get ready, because this is the all-new 2025 Husqvarna FX350. And let me tell you, it's an absolute weapon. Built for one thing, domination. The FX350 is the Swiss Army knife of dirt bikes. Need a bike that crushes motocross tracks and slays off-road trails? Boom! This is it. Underneath, it's packing the same beastly motor and frame as the FC350 motocrosser, but with off-road goodies like a 6-speed gearbox, 18-inch rear wheel, skid plate, and a bigger fuel tank that doesn't even feel bigger. Clever, right? And yeah, they updated the frame again this year. More flex where you want it, more control when you need it. Plus, the new WP Zact spring fork? It's way smoother off-road than the old air forks. Your wrists will thank you later. This bike loves vet tracks, eats cross-country racing for breakfast, and still rips a full moto without beating you up like a 450. Trust me, you don't need a meat grinder between your legs to be fast. And the magic? You can ride this thing lazy or ride it angry. Just roll on the juicy torque, and she keeps pulling. No stalling drama, no drama at all. Bottom line, if you could only own one dirt bike, the FX350 makes a pretty strong case. It's small enough to hustle, strong enough to race, and honestly, it's just a freaking blast to ride. 2025 Husqvarna FX350, ready for whatever ride you throw at it. Are you?